Hey guys, we're gonna learn how to play Lovesick by Boywithuke. Everybody keeps requesting this. This is one of his top songs right now, so yeah, let's go ahead and learn it. All right, so in our super close view, the chords are gonna be right here just in case you can't see what's going on with my fingers. But there's 4 chords in this song. Whenever he does the intro, when he's hitting his ukulele and the piano, we're just gonna do the ukulele. You can do it once or you can do it twice. Whatever you feel like doing, or if you do have a piano, you can smack your piano just like he does. But the chords are A, which is the middle finger on the top string, 2nd fret, and then your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. It sounds like this. But here's a little tricky thing. For the verse, when he hits his ukulele and then the piano, add your pinky on the 4th string, 4th fret to make it sound more like a high pitch at the end instead of, and it sounds more like the chord that he hits. Slight difference. But you don't have to do that the whole song. If you don't want to, you can just do that with the verses, or you can just do the simple A chord with the verses. So the first chord is A. If you want to add the pinky on the 4th string, 4th fret, you can. That's up to you. All right, the second chord that we're gonna do is a C sharp or D flat. It's basically these 3 strings, 1, 2, 3, and then a finger on the 4th string, 4th fret. What I like to do is just bar this whole 1st fret and then put my ring finger on the 4th string, 4th fret. And that is C sharp or D flat, whatever you want to call it. And then the next chord is an F sharp minor, which is just like the A. So your middle finger, top string, 2nd fret, 1st finger, 2nd string, 1st fret, except you put your ring finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And it sounds like this. And then the 4th and final chord in this song is a D, which is just these 3 strings in the 2nd fret. 1, 2, 3. You can play it like this, you can play it like this, but just leave this this last string loose. So I find it easier to just put these 3 fingers, 1 on each string, and it sounds like this. So in order, it is A, C sharp, F sharp minor, and then D. But remember, with the A, you can add your pinky right there if you want that higher pitch like he has. So let's get to the strumming pattern. All right, the strumming pattern is quite simple for this song. For the verses and the intro, you kind of just strum down really hard and smack it for each one. Just like that, just down. And then for the chorus, I like to do what we usually do with all the other songs, which is the down, down, up, up, down, up. And it goes pretty quick, but I'm pretty sure I go through it twice. Yeah. So do the down, down, up twice on each chord as you go through, and then kind of play it pretty quick so you can get through all the words. He kind of talks a lot in this song. It ain't good for my health. All right, so let's go ahead and try to play this. Hey, I heard you doing better, thinking of you as a quitter, and I'm glad you're doing okay. Don't know if you remember all the times you wrote me letters, and I think you took me out in 5th grade. And I think I told you no, I said I want to take it slow, and I also called you gross to your face. But I think everybody knows it was just a funny joke, so do you want to go on that date? Oh, I've been feeling quite amazing, flying kites with you, or phrasing words from songs that I wrote myself. No, it ain't good for my health, but I spent nights thinking of you. I write you songs and I miss you. A creature with 2 heads, sleeping in 2 beds. Is it sweet?